You might think fatty liver only happens if you eat too much fried food, drink alcohol, or are overweight, right? But the truth is that fatty liver is now one of the fastest growing metabolic disorders in India. It often develops silently without you even realizing it. And the twist? It's not always about food or weight gain. One of the biggest hidden drivers is something we almost never connect to liver health. It is vitamin D deficiency. Yes, the same sunshine vitamin we usually associate only with bones actually controls your liver at the genetic level. So today I'm going to explain how vitamin D along with a few other key nutrients can help prevent fatty liver, reverse liver damage, and why just avoiding oily food is not the full solution. If you want some simple yet practical ways to fix your liver health, I'll tell you 6 of those tips today. But before that, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any videos. And also, by the end of this video, I'll share one lifestyle hack that not only brought my cortisol under control, but also made weight management much easier for me. Now let's start. Fatty liver is actually very tricky. In the beginning, you don't feel anything. No pain, no clear symptoms. But inside, your liver slowly starts getting overloaded with fat and toxins. Over time, it becomes sluggish, inflamed, and loses its ability to manage cholesterol, sugar, and detoxification. And here's what most people don't realize. Fatty liver is not just about alcohol or being overweight. Even thin people are developing it today. Why? Because of nutrient deficiencies, high carb diets, refined oils, stress, and yes, low vitamin D. Now, why did I connect vitamin D to fatty liver specifically? It's because your liver has two main jobs when it comes to fat. Number one, it burns fat for energy. And number two, it stores fat inside liver cells. Here's where vitamin D is critical. It literally acts like a switch. It turns on your fat burning genes and turns off your fat storage genes. Without enough vitamin D, your liver cells get stuck in storage mode. That's how fatty liver begins. A study in hepatology found that patients with low vitamin D had significantly higher liver fat. Another animal study showed that giving vitamin D3 not only reduced fat in the liver, but also reduced inflammation and improved mitochondrial function. Basically, the cell's energy factories started working better. So vitamin D isn't just for bones. It's literally telling your liver whether to burn fat or store it. But here's something most people miss. Vitamin D doesn't work alone. It needs some other nutrients too. These are vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that reduces liver inflammation, vitamin B12 and folate, B9, which regulate how your liver detoxifies and processes fat, vitamin A and vitamin K2, which work in synergy with vitamin D. If you only take vitamin D without A and K2, your absorption drops. You also risk creating imbalances in calcium and fat metabolism. This is why so many people take vitamin D supplements for years but still don't see major improvements because the supporting nutrients are missing. Now that you know the science, let's get practical. Here are 6 ways to protect and heal your liver. Number 1, cut out refined vegetable oils. Sunflower, soybean, rice bran, or any generic vegetable oils are loaded with linoleic acid. It damages mitochondria and clogs the liver. Switch to ghee, cold-pressed coconut oil, or butter in moderation. Or use olive oil for low-heat cooking and salads. Studies show that reducing omega-6 vegetable oils lowers liver inflammation significantly. And if you eat a lot of nuts, replace them with seeds soaked overnight. Next time you go grocery shopping, replace the bottle of refined oil in your kitchen. Number 2, get your vitamin D levels checked. Don't guess. Get your vitamin D checked at least twice a year. The healthy range is between 60 and 80. If your level is below 30, you're deficient and more prone to fatty liver. Number 3, supplement your body smartly. Nobody can get enough sun. And honestly, I won't recommend sitting in sunlight for too long. But if you want to try sunlight, go before 9 a.m. for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure most of your skin is exposed so your body can absorb it. Still, the best option, a good quality vitamin D3 supplement. But always choose one that contains vitamin A and K2 as well. Why? Vitamin A regulates vitamin D receptors. Vitamin K2 directs calcium to the right places, bones, teeth, and prevents buildup in arteries or the liver. These two act like cofactors. They make vitamin D more effective and safe. Number 4, manage stress. High stress means high cortisol. and cortisol stores more fat in your liver. Try 5 minutes of deep breathing before bed or anytime during the day. One lifestyle hack that worked for me: whenever I feel the urge to scroll my phone, I now do 4-6 breathing instead. Inhale for 4 counts, exhale for 6. This simple shift activated my calm response, lowered cortisol, and made my mood, sleep, and weight better. Number 5, cut back on hidden sugars. Fructose from juices, biscuits, sauces, and packaged foods directly causes fatty liver. Check your labels. If you see glucose syrup, fructose, or corn syrup, ditch it. Instead, choose clean brands with stevia or xylitol. And for home use, go for monk fruit or stevia as natural sweeteners. Number 6, practice liver fasting. The liver needs rest. Constant snacking makes it tired. So give it a break. Keep a gap of 12 hours between dinner and breakfast. If you eat dinner at 8 p.m., have breakfast at 8 a.m. When I first started studying fatty liver and vitamin D, I was shocked. It doesn't just affect the liver, it affects your skin, energy, hormones, and digestion. At My Duty, we've seen thousands of clients reverse fatty liver and experience better skin, better digestion, hormonal balance, and more energy. That's the power of fixing root causes, not just symptoms. So don't think of fatty liver as just a fat problem. It's a nutrient problem. And here's the good news. The liver is a powerful organ. It can regenerate even when damaged. With the right support, healing is 100% possible. At My Duty, we've helped over 1,000 people improve fatty liver in just the last 6 months. You can call us at 9267995013 for a free consultation. And if this video gave you a new perspective, please share it with someone who needs to hear this. Drop a comment if you've ever had your vitamin D tested. Let's see how many of us are actually deficient. And of course, subscribe to the channel, because here we don't just talk science, we make staying healthy easier for you.